So this is a 512 M, $400,000 LaFerrari. There's only 75 were made. This looks actually stunning. Dude, this is probably one of the coolest cars.
Can I just say wow?
Yeah, let's just say wow here. Because I was looking at it and I'm like, it looks a little different. And it's, guys, look at this. Interior on point. The wheels on point. Look how many nuts you have to take off. Low-key Ferrari starting up, but look at that rear. I'm gonna make this its own video. Man, I love this so much, it's unreal. So you see the front end looking absolutely nostalgic. I think it looks one of the best looking. It's like an F40. You see the F40 in it. Comes down and then it's not an F40. You see that, bro?
Oh yeah.
It's like an F40 right here, and then it's not an F40.
It's like
and then it turns into the Testarossa. I don't think the Testarossa has those wheels. I may be mistaken. He has black brake calipers. There's a tongue twister. Bosch window wipers. Look how detailed this review is. See that? Looking so good. We have a 458 leaving right now. This is one of my favorite Ferraris now. Too bad it's $400,000, but do you agree? Like, this is, I see why. I would pay $400 for this actually. This is my favorite Ferrari. That's official, guys. Could you enlighten us onto what this is?